Welcome to this YouTube channel. I created Math for All Academy out of frustration with the available online math tools for elementary and secondary grades. Before the pandemic, my twin girls were in a well-known math tutoring program. I was frustrated with the quality of teaching. My girls often left the class in tears, and I ended up doing most of the tutoring myself. It felt like I was just paying for pricey worksheets, not real tutoring. After the pandemic, like many parents, I had to manage my girls' education. I tried several online math programs. Many required payment, while the free ones often skipped important parts of math concepts when solving problems. Most of the online resources were taught by men. Although it shouldn't matter, many assumed some concepts were already known and didn't review them fully. They often used difficult words and spoke quickly, making it hard for younger kids to understand. I ended up having to explain the videos in more detail so my girls could grasp the concepts. Some websites used fancy animations to teach math, but I found they distracted from the concepts and kids focused on the animation instead. Free call-in online tutoring platforms made my kids wait for hours to speak to someone, and when they did, they could only ask one question. To ask another question, they had to call back and wait again for hours. My teaching is problem-based and breaks down each step to reduce confusion and help with remembering concepts. It's hard for young students to remember everything all the time. I'm not a trained teacher, but I have a degree in engineering physics, an MBA in finance, decades of work experience, and years of tutoring my twin girls. My girls were born 2.5 months early. One had many complications, and I spent about 6 months with her at Sick Kids Hospital in Toronto. By the end, I was told she would likely be severely disabled and might have cerebral palsy. I didn't know if she would have a normal life or need constant care. She had a developmental delay and struggled with math. I became her tutor, and she is my success story. She now has above average math grades and is no longer considered to have any developmental delays. My methods work and resonate with girls. Both of my daughters now have excellent grades in math. I can't guarantee these videos will do the same for your children, but my teachings help my girls immensely. These are some photographs of my daughter when she was born, and at that time she was only 1,000 grams at birth. 1 month after birth, on a rare occasion when she was not on a breathing machine, photo was taken. And then finally, 5.5 months after birth, finally able to breathe on her own. Here's a bit about me. I grew up in a low-income family on social assistance. I realized early on that math could help me escape poverty. I believe that anyone who understands math will do well in life regardless of their background or gender. I hope your children enjoy these videos. I don't want to post any ads on this channel. I'm not here to make money. I want to use this platform to do some good. I prepared these courses with no budget and only in my free time. The only way I earn money from this is through donations. If you like the course, please consider donating. I believe everyone can do math. It can be taught in a way that's easy to understand. With my teaching, you can become great at math through repetition and simplicity. Practice makes improvement. Thank you for your time.